Hi guys, welcome back. I was in my trunk, saw the tools, and decided to do a follow-up video on the Ryobi 3-speed 4-amp-hour impact wrench. Got the 19mm EP Auto Deep socket on it. Let's give it a try, see what happens, see if it's true, if it can remove a lug nut. Alright, got it on the 3-speed. Let's go. Hope it's worth it. Wait a minute. There's the light. That works. Spinning. Hold on a second. Give me a second. I want you guys to hear this for yourself. That was easy. No problem whatsoever. And you can feel it. Don't forget, this is the EP Auto Deep socket. Got a whole set. Ryobi 4-amp-hour, 3-speed. I think you should keep it on the 3-speed when you're doing this. And again, you get a flat tire, you might want to have something like this in your trunk. Oh yeah, I've had it in my trunk for a while now, and the battery's still charged. All type of weather conditions. I do keep it in a sock though. Maybe that helps. Anyway, highly recommend. As always, thanks for watching. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye.